So today chapter mathematics, mathematical reasoning. Question number 1. The disjunction of the statement it is raining. It is raining. The sun is shining. So disjunction, the symbol is R. Okay. So where it is the second option. So second option, it is raining or the sun is shining. So here, so what about the first question? The first question, it is option B. Option B. Option B. Why means disjunction means what about the symbol R? Okay, this one symbol symbolically this is the R symbol. Okay, question number 2. 5 plus 7 is equal to 10. It is false, na? 5 plus 7 is equal to 10 is the false. Okay, and so 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. It is true. So write the statement using the appropriate connective means if you verify option verification method, first option R, symbol a V type is there, means it is R. It is a wrong answer. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and symbol is there. So second option is the correct answer. So here option B. Here also option B. And means so symbol is this one symbol is like this. Next question number 3. 7 is odd or 7 is prime. So write the statement using the appropriate connective. R is called 7 is odd means R, or 7 is prime. What about the option? First option is the correct answer. For option 1, option A. Next, fourth problem. The truth value of 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, then 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So what about the truth value? 3 plus if then they given means implication. So whenever 3 plus 2 is equal to, if 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, it is true. Then 1 into 0 means 0, means it is also true. Okay, so whenever true implies true. Okay, so true implies true means, so what about the value? True is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. So P he is hardworking. Q, he will win. The symbolic form of if he is hardworking, then he will win. Correct? So what about the symbol? P, if is given, starting if he is hardworking, then if then is called P implies Q, means implication. Next, question number 6. Option verification method is the best method. So Earth is a planet. The negation of this statement, Earth is a planet, what about the negation? Means wrong statement. So here the negative statement, the Earth is not a planet. For example, if you go for option verification method, first one, Earth is round. So wrong. So the Earth is not round. So the Earth is revolves around the sun. But here Earth is a planet means Earth is not a planet. That is the suitable option, means option 4. Question number 7. Here also negation P implies Q. So if we treat as PQ negation P and again you treat as negation Q here only. After that you treat as negation P and Q. So what about the statement? Means here you treat as, if you take true, false, true, false. So here if you take it as true, false, negation P means what about the value? False, true. Okay, so what about the under that one meaning means here value. So first one, whenever P and negation P is there, so here negation P and Q means here is the false statement. So negation P and means here also false. Next, T and T means it is true. Next, what about the last? Here also false statement. So clear? So false, true, false. So that is option, first option is the correct answer. Question number 8. So question number 8 also same. Here verify the truth value. Negation P implies Q. So negation P implies Q means the same truth table only. PQ you treat as. So what about the value? here. And here one more eighth question also the same concept. Here negation p implies q. So negation p implies q means so what about the value here? If you take it as a true, so negation p implies means it is a true. Here true. Next again false means false means what about the value? That is also true. Here next true negation means true means it is also true. So last false. That's why second option is the correct answer.